6 months ago, finding someone's full digital footprint from a single photo took hours. Today, there are AI tools that do it in under 30 seconds. Tools that map your face to social media profiles, trace your email across hundreds of platforms simultaneously, analyze every public post you've ever made, and generate a complete investigation report without you ever leaving a browser tab. This is what AI has done to OSINT. And these 6 tools are where it's most visible right now. Disclaimer: educational and authorized use only. These tools are used by journalists, investigators, and security professionals for legitimate research. Use them on your own data or within authorized investigation scope. Legal use always. Tool number 1, PimEyes, the most powerful face search engine available to the public right now. PimEyes uses deep learning to map the geometric structure of a face, the exact distances between your eyes, the shape of your nose, the contour of your jawline, and matches that facial signature against a database of 3.5 billion publicly indexed images across the open web. You upload one photo. It finds every other place that face has appeared online in seconds. It scans news articles, blogs, forums, photo directories, and public websites, and returns results with thumbnail previews and source links so you can see exactly where each match came from. The use cases investigators reach for most are tracking unauthorized use of someone's photos, verifying whether a profile picture belongs to the person claiming it, and identifying individuals from images with no other metadata. The free tier shows blurred results with no source links, enough to confirm matches exist. Full source URLs and monitoring alerts require a paid plan starting at $29.99 per month. PimEyes.com. Browser-based, no download. Tool number 2, FaceCheck.ID. PimEyes is broad. FaceCheck.ID goes deep in a specific direction: social media, news sites, mugshot databases, and criminal registries. Its database covers 763 million images specifically pulled from those sources. The facial geometry AI it uses is strong enough to work on low-quality photos, off-angle shots, and partially obscured faces, which matters in real investigation scenarios where you're rarely working with a perfect headshot. What makes FaceCheck.ID interesting as a second tool alongside PimEyes is the different source coverage. The two tools find different results because they're indexing different corners of the web. Running both gives you significantly broader coverage than either one alone. The pricing model is credit-based rather than a monthly subscription, starting at $6 for 12 searches, which makes it significantly more accessible for occasional use. A limited free tier is available for basic searches. FaceCheck.ID. No account required for basic use. Tool number 3, OSINT Industries. This is the AI tool that law enforcement, private investigators, and OSINT professionals consistently reach for when they need to work fast from an email address or phone number. OSINT Industries queries hundreds of live public sources simultaneously in real time, deliberately not using static breach databases, which means the intelligence it returns reflects the current state of someone's online presence rather than what existed months ago. You input an email, a phone number, or a username, and it fans out across social platforms, public directories, professional networks, and online services all at once. The results come back structured. Every platform where that identifier is registered, displayed with account details, profile links, and timestamps. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Strava, Cash App, Airbnb. The range of platforms it checks goes significantly further than most people expect. The breach integration is particularly useful. Results flag which accounts have been involved in known data breaches and when, pulled from Have I Been Pwned, which gives you an immediate picture of credential exposure history alongside the active account mapping. Export works in PDF, Doc, Excel, or JSON, which matters for anyone documenting findings for a report. Subscription-based. Free trial available at OSINT.industries. Tool number 4, Search for Faces. This one covers territory the other face search tools on this list largely miss. Search for Faces is an AI-powered reverse face search specifically built around social network databases, with particular strength in VK and Odnoklassniki, the two dominant Russian social networks, which between them hold hundreds of millions of profiles that PimEyes and FaceCheck.ID do not index. If your investigation involves a subject with Eastern European connections, or you're trying to identify someone whose face appears in content originating from those regions, Search for Faces surfaces matches that no other tool on this list will find. The coverage gap is real and significant. The interface is simple. Upload a photo, run the search, review matches with confidence scores and direct profile links. It requires a small fee per search for full results, but is one of the most affordable entry points for AI face search available in 2026. Searchforfaces.com. Accessible, low cost per search. Tool number 6, Google Lens. This one gets skipped in almost every OSINT tools video because it feels too obvious. It shouldn't be. For OSINT work, Lens is particularly effective at finding similar-looking people across news coverage and indexed social media, identifying locations from background details in photos, reading and translating text in images, and surfacing products and objects that help establish context. It often returns results that dedicated face search tools miss because it's pulling from Google's full web index, the largest in the world. Lens.google.com. Tool number 6, the last one. Meet Maltego, one of the most powerful OSINT investigation platforms used by security researchers, analysts, and investigators. Maltego helps you uncover connections between people, domains, emails, companies, and online assets by transforming scattered public data into interactive visual maps. Instead of manually searching through countless sources, Maltego's automation and AI-assisted analysis help researchers discover hidden relationships and patterns faster. Whether it's threat intelligence, digital investigations, or cybersecurity research, Maltego turns open-source data into actionable intelligence. Run any of these on your own data first. See what comes back. Understanding what's publicly visible about you is the starting point for understanding why these tools matter. Like and subscribe for more. Drop a comment. Which of these 6 hits the hardest? See you in the next one.